In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an event in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to duplicate an existing event, tweak any details you need, and save it to your calendar without starting from scratch. First, open your preferred web browser and go to calendar.google.com. This tutorial focuses on the desktop web version because it gives you the clearest view of all the options. If you use Google Calendar often, consider bookmarking the page so it's always one click away. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. You can confirm this by looking for your profile icon in the top right corner. If you manage multiple accounts, double check you're in the correct one before proceeding so the event lands on the right calendar. Next, find the event you want to copy. You can work in day, week, or month view, whatever makes it easiest to spot the event. Use the mini calendar on the left to jump to the correct date and scroll to the time the event occurs so you can select it quickly. Click the event to open its preview or full details. You'll see the key info at a glance, such as the title, date, time, location, and any guests. If the preview opens, that's perfectly fine. You can still access the options you need from here. Look for the three vertical dots, which is the More Actions menu in the event window. This icon usually appears in the top right corner of the preview or near the top of the full event page. Click the three dots and choose Duplicate. If you don't see the duplicate option, it could be that you don't have edit permissions for that event. A new event is created immediately with the same details as the original, including the title, description, location, and often the guest list. This is your editable copy. Now is the time to make any changes you need. Adjust the date and time, switch the calendar it's saved to, update the location, or edit the description. If the original had guests and you don't want to invite them to the copy, remove them before saving. You can also review video conferencing links or attachments and decide whether they should stay. When everything looks right, click Save. If there are guests, you may be prompted to send invitations. Choose the option that fits your situation. Your duplicated event now appears on your Google Calendar with the updated details. Give it a quick glance to ensure it's on the correct date, time, and calendar color. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Google Calendar tips and tutorials.